600 miles south of Denver, Colorado, there's a quiet little town with only 2 businesses, and they both happen to be pie shops. Hightown, New Mexico, the destination for this next vintage motorcycle rescue. As we pulled onto the property, it was clear that the late owner had one thing in mind when moving here: privacy. Sat next to a 1950s Spartan camper trailer was the small shed that drew us to this extremely isolated area. We tried a few keys that the owner's daughter said might work. There in front of us were the 3 motorcycles I'd only seen old pictures of almost a year ago. We rolled each bike out and watched as the sunlight touched them for the first time in years. Once treasures of a man named Ron Azarello passed away in December of 2019, it was apparent these motorcycles were cared for and properly maintained. Before loading the trailer, we took a moment to admire these pieces of motorcycle history and speculate about the journeys Ron had on these wheels. Coming back to the Foodog shop is a 1978 BMW R87, a 1980 Kawasaki G5, and a stunning BMW R90S from 1973. When else would we have ended up in Pie Town? Without this passion for finding and restoring vintage motorcycles, likely never. On our way out, we decided to partake in the entirety of what this town has to offer. full trailer and bellies, we headed home.